Question 7, Roman numerals. Now, we've got a little reminder of some famous Roman numerals here. All numbers can be basically written using 7 letters. So the important ones are the ones that are shown in color. So 1 is an I, 5 is a V, 10 is an X, 50 is an L, 100 is a C, 500 is a D, and 1000 is an M. And all numbers can be written in Roman numerals using those 7 letters. Now, what we need to do is understand that the Romans had some rules that we had to follow. And the first rule is that we had to write a number using place value. So what we mean by that is we have to take it in the digits largest first, from hundreds, tens, units in this case. So we've got hundreds, tens, units. So the first thing we have to do is say what 500 is. Now 500 has got its own letter. 500 is exactly D. So we know that that's going to be a D. Then we have to say what 40 is. Now it's very tempting to say that 40 is X 4 times. X, 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 X. That would be 10, 10, 10, 10, 40. But the Romans did not allow you to do this. They did not allow you to have more than 3 of the same letter in a row. So you could have 3 X's, but you can't have 4 X's. So that's no good, because they felt it was getting too long. Because where would you stop? Would you have 5 X's for 50, 6 X's for 60, and so on? The numbers would just get too long. So we need to find a quicker way of writing 40. And what they did is they took the number 50, which was L, and they said that 40 was 10 before that. So, and 10 is an X. So 10 before 50 is 40. So XL is basically 40. You've got to be dead careful here, because if you do it as LX, that's 10 after 50, which would be 60. So just to be clear, we want 40. 10 before 50 is 40. 10 after 50 is 60. And we don't want 60, we want the 40. So it's XL. 10 before 50 is 40. And then 4, you've got a similar thing. You can't do 4 I's on the trot. You can only do a maximum of 3 of the same letter. So 4, we need to find a quicker way. Well, we've got 5 here, and 4 was I before V. 1 before 5, 1 before 5, and that gives you 4. Again, you've got to be dead careful that you don't do it the wrong way round. I following a V is 1 after 5, and 1 after 5 would be 6. We don't want 1 after 5, 6. We want 1 before 5, which is 4. And that basically is the correct answer. So just to recap the main points, 500 has its own letter, that's a D. 40 is 10 before 50, so that's XL. And 4 is 1 before 5, so that's IV. Final answer, D, XL, IV. D is 500, XL is 40, IV is 4. Put it all together, 544.